Scientist Chase, what are you doing now? I'm recording you.
I'm creating a lemon explosion.
With an orange?
Well, citrus explosion. Just
And
need to
then-
stab it a couple times to get the baking soda.
How's yours
more.
turning out, Bryce?
Good.
Is it exploding?
Yes!
And now for the finishing touch.
Ooh. I see it like sizzling. And I hear it too.
I think that's coming from Bryce's.
Oh. Alright, move your hand, let me see. Nice.
Now,
Whoa.
before you stop recording, I would like you to see me do it on the lemon.
Okay. Now remember, you can still use the knife and stab it, because you might need to stab it a little. Whoop, I see it starting to fizzle already.
Stab it deep in.
So do you know what's happening here, Chase?
Yes,
And Bryce,
I do.
What's happening?
I don't.
Okay.
I'm
Chase.
just having fun.
Yeah.
So what's happening is the acids in the lemon, well, citrus juice, is combining with the baking soda, which is a base, to create a little fizzy madness chemical reaction.
Right. It's carbon dioxide, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Would that be carbon dioxide, so it's getting that fizziness.
Yep, CO2.
Bryce, you're just having a lot of fun.
Ah, fun.
Be careful with what you touched after that.
Right.
'Cause if
And
you
then
don't-
keep stabbing it, Chase, because the more you stab it, the more you stab it, the more the lemon juice will go through, because you have a lot of orange and lemon there. Citrus. And then the lemon juice on top with the lemon.
cheek, clean things up too, please.
Well, we've
See,
got
do you
a
see
little
the
more
fizzes?
fizz.
And then add more lemon to it. So when I did this for work, I only used lemons. I'm wondering, how's the orange working out? Is that one fizzing?
Not as much.
Not as much?
Yeah, it's not
Okay.
as acidic.
Ah, I wonder if it's just this type of orange or just all
Maybe if you
oranges,
could,
think?
no, it depends on the type, because there is such a thing as a sour orange, which has a little
Oh.
bit more